No, 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 no. More! More! Perfect. Finally. Safety first. These brakes are very bad. You need a bigger one. Bigger is always better. Oh, yeah. Loser. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. One. Two. Wow, finally. Always remember to recycle. Very powerful tool. Old new. Old new. Old. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Lube it well. Oh, yeah. Oh, more lubing. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Safe for the next 100 years. Oh, yeah. Painted well. Refurbished. The next mechanic will send you a love letter. Best product, PPFE dry lubricant. Such smart. Very important to lube the new brake discs to prevent squeaky brakes. The solution. Oh, so smooth like butter. Real man of genius. This is a real pro mechanic. New. Old. New. Old, new. New, old. Old, new, new, old. Wow, best quality. Oh, yeah. Perfect work. Always recycle and save money. Perfection. Dampfrache. Perfection, like new from factory. Yeah. Pump the pedal until it's hard. Happy customer!